Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. In this video we are going to see how to change the default font type on Windows 11. Changing the default system font requires you to modify registry settings. So here on desktop I have a text file which have registry script to change Windows default font type. You can get this script in this video's description. Windows use Segoe UI as default font, so we have to change it with another font. In this script's last line, you have to replace new font with a font name which you want to use in your PC. Open Fonts folder and choose a font which you want to use. For example, I want to use Comic Sans MS as default font for my PC. Now come to the text file and replace new font with Comic Sans MS. Make sure you type it correctly, as it is in Fonts folder. Now click on File and choose Save As. You can type any file name, but add .reg as suffix. In Save As type choose All Files and click on Save. Now we have a registry file. Double-click on it. Choose Yes. Now choose OK. Now restart your PC to apply new font. After restarting PC, you can see desktop icon's font has been changed. Same you can check in Explorer. New font is applied to old drives and folder. So this way you can change your PC's default font. Now suppose you have any issue regarding Windows functions, or you are bored with this new font and you want to revert back to your default font. Then we have another registry script to get back default font. You can copy this script also from this video's description. This script makes Segoe UI as default font. Click on File and choose Save As. You can type any file name but add .reg as suffix. Here I type default.reg. In Save As type choose All Files and click on Save. Now we have default registry file. Double-click on it and choose Yes. Press OK. Now restart your PC to apply default font. After restarting PC, you can see desktop icon's font has been restored to original. Same you can check in Explorer, default font is applied to all drives and folder. So this way you can change your PC's default font.
To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.